and welcome to this video. That's the bunch of logs I received from Texas Jim. And I will pick out this ISEO log to pick it for you now. I really like the head of this key. It's so nice. So, that's the bidding on the key. Not too many ups and downs. It's locked up. It's a 5-pin lock, and let's try to pick it. Apply light tension. 1 is springy, 2 is feels bound, 3 feels bound, 4 gives feedback. Click and I turn on the core. And what about 5? 5 as well. Okay. Work my way to the front. Pin 1 is stiff now. Doesn't want to go. 2, nothing. 3, also stiff, okay. Got counter rotation from, what was it, 2 or 3? Okay, forced pin 1 a little bit and it opened. Alright, so the ISEO is open. Now let's cut it. Let's see how the clip comes off. Not a big deal. Alright. Need a follower. Okay. Okay, this should work. No, it does not. What's the problem? I hope these grooves don't make trouble. Just give it a try. No, won't work. Okay, I have to make a pause and then I'll find out what's up here. Okay, I think the grooves here at the end make trouble, and I'll try to gut it a different way. I've turned it at 180 degree and I've used the pinning shoe to hold the driver pins down, and now the plug should go out, hopefully. Already see threaded chambers. Now it comes. All right. We'll quickly secure the driver pins with my follower. Oh no. Shit. Oh, sorry. 2 pins were lost. I will try to find the right place for them later on. But now let me dump out the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The last one was the standard pin. Greatly serrated pins. So oops, that was pin 1. Pin 3 is missing, pin 4 is missing, and then we have pin 5, pin 4, and here is pin 5. So I don't know which way around. Maybe like this. Springs are all the same. Tiny springs. Last one stuck in the chamber of the Bible. Okay, it's out. All right. So here are the pretty pins. Give you a close-up view. All the key pins except the last one have nice serrations on its end. And for the drivers we have 2 spools here at 4 and 5 and a tiny serrated at position 3. Next we have a serrated on position 2 and a spool at position 1. Alright, that was the ISEO, oops, here we are. That was the ISEO lock sent to me by Texas Jim. So thank you very much for the lock. It was a pleasure for me to pick. And yeah, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. Sorry, I forgot to show you the plug. You can see that all the chambers in the plug are threaded. And regards the chambers in the Bible, here we have no modification. Everything's smooth. Alright, that's it. Bye bye.